We love festivals, the freedom, the endless creativity, the peace of mind. Have you ever felt really lost? That tingling fear, the rising panic that no one will find you? We never wanted to experience that again. That's why we created our brand new Nebulite collection. The illuminated fanny pack and drawstring backpack are filled to the rim with incredible features. They'll blast your festival experience into a new dimension. A unique fiber optic fabric illuminates the outside of the bags. You will look great and stand out in the crowd. Like magic, the integrated motion sensor picks up your best moves and adjusts the animation to your dancing. Express yourself. Even in slower moments, the sophisticated beat detection synchronizes with your flow. Use the remote control app to match the bag to your style in seconds. Choose from over 16 million colors and heaps of animation modes, or even create your own. On top of all this, the inside illumination helps you find your stuff even in the darkest night. And for your peace of mind, we integrated an alarm that keeps your belongings safe. Don't just change colors, change structure. Simply switch up the front side with your choice of sequence. Visibility isn't just the life of the party, it can also save your life. That's why we incorporated a bicycle feature that automatically lights up a bright red when you suddenly have to brake. You can also press the left and right buttons on your handlebar for the turn indication. Last year, we had a successful Kickstarter campaign for our first bag. Now we need your help to fund our new collection. Join us and pre-order your bag so we can illuminate your night.
Hey Kickstarter, my name is Simon, and this is Neptune Pine. Over the last year, there have been so many new smartwatches appearing on the market, but none of them really seem to be living up to the hype. They're usually sold as Bluetooth accessories for your phone, either for fitness tracking or as some sort of notification center. We believe that a smartwatch should be a truly standalone device. That's why we created Neptune Pine, the only device you'll ever need. Pine is at the top of the food chain when it comes to smartwatches, packing more features than any wrist-worn device out there without the need of a nearby smartphone. Just insert your micro SIM card and it allows you to make and receive phone calls and send SMS text messages. With 3G and Wi-Fi, you can conveniently browse your favorite websites, your social networks, your email, and much more. It's the complete wearable web experience on your wrist.
Hi, my name is Aaron Wilkins and I'm CTO at Neptune. When we started looking at smartwatches about a year ago, we realized that one of the big problems was that all the apps had to be custom tailored to each specific device. We've been able to make our device compatible with a huge number of existing Android apps. So the fact that we have an accelerometer, the fact that we have a GPS, all of these things, they open up a world of possibilities for developers to be able to take advantage of this technology, and specifically in this form factor. What's really cool about the Pine is that we have a front-facing VGA camera and a rear-facing 5-megapixel camera. So the front-facing VGA camera lets you do video chat. And right now we're the only smartwatch that can do video chat. The rear-facing camera lets you take high-resolution video or still images. We've got flashes on both the cameras, so you can use them in any lighting condition. And what's cool about the Pine is it can be used as a flashlight or a heart rate monitor with existing applications. We went through a lot of trouble to make sure that the connection mechanism can release fluidly, that we can put it back in and it stays safe and secure and that it's not going to fall out of the strap.
We finalized most of the design and engineering, and we're getting very close to mass production. However, we still need your help and support to get the Pine onto your wrists. We hope you join us on this journey and support us on Kickstarter. Thanks for listening.
We've realized that connecting things together is relatively easy, but knowing when they should play a part in your life without pulling out your phone is a lot harder.
NinjaBlox launched an IoT platform right here on Kickstarter in February 2012. We delivered hundreds of NinjaBlocks to backers and have shipped thousands since.
Throughout our journey, the challenge we've seen again and again is how do we create an intuitive experience without having to install yet another app on your smartphone.
That's why we built NinjaSphere, the next generation of Ninja blocks.
By using data from your devices, environment, and location, the NinjaSphere is able to advise you intelligently.
NinjaSphere keeps track of the state of all your devices, building a model for how they operate. It knows if something is out of place. And because NinjaBlocks uses open source drivers, almost any device, system or appliance can be connected to your NinjaSphere. The heart of the NinjaSphere is the Spheroid, the gateway that keeps tabs on all your devices.
We've packed everything we've learned over the past 2 years into this device.
Built on an ARM Cortex-A8, it has radios for Zigbee, BLE, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi.
On the surface, neatly concealed in the device, is a hidden LED display providing simple and useful information at the swipe of your hand.
In order for the NinjaSphere to learn about your environment, it requires accurate location data of you and your devices.
We've implemented a form of trilateration built on cutting-edge machine learning algorithms.
By having this information, suddenly keeping tabs on your pets or loved ones becomes simple. You can save money by keeping appliances off when no one's around to use them, and just generally make things a little bit more awesome.
Radio signals from the devices around your home are measured by Spheroid gateways and associated BLE waypoints to construct a 3D map of the environment.
Taking the signal strength from these measurements, the NinjaSphere can then map the location of any roaming BLE signal within the space.
We're really excited by the possibilities this technology opens up. On the Spheroid itself, we wanted a more natural, elegant way to interact with your environment beyond just another app.
We developed a mechanism for gesture control that, at a glance, allows you to measure and control your environment. Energy use, weather, or even the state of your plants, you can easily page through this information and control your home with a swipe of your hand.
We knew we had to build something that you would want to bring into your home. Working with co-creators, we set out to design and build a gateway that was not only functional, but beautiful too.
I'm most excited about the platform being open source. Our amazing community continually surprises us with the innovations and the use of the platform that we've never even thought possible. I think the future is in open source, and one of the great things I get to do with our community every single day is interact with them on our forums.
We've spent months developing prototypes and refining the approach we need for trilateration and gestures. We have prototypes of the gateway and its software for sensing and control.
I look forward to coming into the Ninja office every day as I get to work with talented designers, programmers and support staff building a product that is not only practical but looks awesome too.
We're excited. We've seen the possibilities of this technology and need the support of the Kickstarter community to develop it further. We need a large group of beta testers to help mature our trilateration and gesture algorithms. We need to increase the resolution of our LED matrix, build in the tracking camera for the gateway, tooling for the gateways and waypoints, and to order the first scale run of boards.
We believe the future of connected devices must be open and based on standards.
For that reason, we want to open source our entire IoT platform. If we're able to reach our goal, we'll have the support to begin open sourcing everything.
My name is Steve McClave, and I'm a working professional. I take NewDock wherever I go. It's small, lightweight, and easy to use. Basically, you just open up the top, plug in your smartphone, and then you can use an HDMI cord to attach it to any screen. NewDock especially helps when I'm giving a presentation to clients. Rather than using a whole computer, I can just use my cell phone, and my touchscreen makes it especially easy. And NewDock is more than a workstation. If I want to watch a movie, I can just plug it into any screen or projector. I can also use it to play all my favorite video games on by plugging them in as well. It's even capable of 4K resolution with any compatible screen or projector. You can use an HDMI cord to plug it into any screen. You can also attach an external hard drive, a keyboard, an SD card, a micro SD card, another phone, and can also power all your devices at lightning speed. The SD ports can support cards of up to 2 terabytes, with transfer speeds of up to 104 megabytes per second. With NewDock, it doesn't matter whether it's an Airbnb, a hotel, or a friend's office. If I've got work to do, I can plug it into any screen and get it done. It's small, smart, and easy to use. It changed my life. I hope it can change yours too.